Hi, today we're going to be doing a science experiment using an Estes rocket engine attached to a knife. We're going to get this knife going up to 200 miles an hour, possibly more, on a guide wire to see if we can fly a knife from one end of the table out to a pole in the field using a rocket engine. It's just for fun. I would not recommend trying this. Okay, we got the knife there with the rocket engine, and excuse me, I'm going to try to ignite it with a fuse, not a quick fuse actually, and just a fast fuse. And we're going to try to launch the knife at 200 miles an hour down the guide wire out to a pole. You can see it there in the field. So let's try to see how this experiment works. Light the fuse, and here we go. Whee! Definitely went all the way down to the pole and beyond. Still see smoke. There we are. There's the knife stuck into part of the ground. That's quite a ways away. This is I used a C6-7 rocket engine, and I'm not quite sure how it didn't stop at the pole. I guess it just ripped. I guess it just ripped right through. It was going so fast that let me get the camera put back here. Alright. Yeah, it was going so fast that it just ripped the straw that I was using for the guide. It just ripped it wide open right through the wire, and the knife just kept on flying. So I wouldn't recommend trying this, but if you do, I would definitely be very careful because once it gets to the end of the guide wire, this knife is just going to keep on going at 200 miles an hour. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.